Welcome to Studio G, Entertainment News. This is Linda. The legal battle surrounding Alec Baldwin's involvement in the death of cinematographer Halyna Hutchins has intensified with a recent motion filed by his defense team, taking aim at the First Judicial District Attorney's Office and its special prosecutor. Baldwin's attorneys claim that emails and public statements from the DA's office unfairly criticized them and misrepresented his potential sentence. Baldwin was holding a prop gun that discharged on the set of the Rust movie, killing Hutchins. Initially, District Attorney Mary Carmack Altwies charged Baldwin with 2 counts of involuntary manslaughter in Hutchins' death, with the most serious charge carrying a mandatory 5-year prison sentence under the state's current firearm enhancement statute. Last week, prosecutors downgraded the charges against Baldwin, dropping the possibility of a mandatory 5-year sentence. The remaining alternative standard requires proof of negligence and is punishable by up to 18 months in jail and a $5,000 fine under New Mexico law. The dispute over charges led to heated exchanges between prosecutors and Baldwin's legal team, with Baldwin's attorneys arguing that prosecutors committed a basic legal error by charging him under a law that was not enacted until May 2022, 7 months after Hutchins' death. Special Prosecutor Andrea Reeve chastised Baldwin's attorneys for failing to follow proper procedure and suggested that the attorneys could face sanctions if you aren't following proper procedure. Baldwin's attorneys also accused prosecutors of amplifying the error in national television interviews in January, claiming that Baldwin faced a mandatory 5 years in prison if convicted. They are seeking Reeve's removal from the case, alleging that as a state representative, Reeve is violating the state constitution's separation of powers provision by serving as both a legislator and a prosecutor. Baldwin pleaded not guilty to involuntary manslaughter on Thursday and was allowed to remain free on personal recognizance by order of First Judicial District Judge Mary Marlowe Summer, with limited contact with potential witnesses in connection with completing the Rust movie, but cannot discuss the case with people who may offer testimony. The film's armorer, Hannah Gutierrez-Reed, was also charged in the case and had her first hearing before Marlowe Sommer on Friday.